I'm so excited because it is finally warm and sunny out. Yay! So the book I'm going to read today is called Summer is Coming because I'm so excited for summer and this warm weather and playing outside. I thought this book would be perfect for today. So it starts by saying sights and sounds of summer. Crack! Listen to the sounds of children playing baseball in the park. Do any of you like to play baseball? I know that Bryce in my morning class loves to play baseball. I'm sure a lot of other friends in our classes love to play baseball as well, or maybe to watch it on TV, right? Summer is here. It's almost here. Warm sunshine and clear blue skies invite people to play outdoors. So what are some things that you like to play outdoors? My daughter has a swing set and we love to go on the swings. It's one of my favorite things to do. Sometimes the sun gets hot. Beads of sweat trickle down my rosy cheeks. Your face might get red if you play hard on a warm day. We know that when we play on the playground at school, we come in and our faces are red and we're sweaty and a little gross, but that's okay because it's nice and warm out. And if you're at your house, you might be able to go in a pool or run through the sprinkler or just turn the water on in the hose. Maybe mom or dad will dump a bucket of water on you. When it's really hot out, those things feel really good. Kids fly by on their bicycles and call to their friends. Do you know how to ride a bicycle? My daughter's too little. She doesn't ride a bicycle yet, but I have one for her, so one day she'll get to ride her bicycle. I'm super excited for that. Summer weather. The air is hot. Dogs pant as they lie under shady-leaved trees. And there in the picture, two furry dogs cool off on a bench in the shade. If you have a dog, you know that when they get hot, they do something called pants. That's a fancy word. It means that they breathe kind of quickly like this. They stick their tongue out, and that's how they cool off their body. When they're super hot, they'll breathe like that, and it will help them to get a little bit cooler. Grass grows thick and green beneath the blazing summer sun. You see that little boy, he's running around without shoes on. Awesome thing to do in the summer. You could feel the grass on your feet. Super nice. In some places, the summer air is dry. It makes me thirsty for a cool glass of lemonade. Maybe you've had a lemonade stand before, something you can do, or just make lemonade with your mom and dad. In other places, summer air is humid. The moisture in the air feels thick and dewy. Here in New York, it does get very humid sometimes. Then we step outside, it's a little bit hard to breathe. The air feels a little bit wet. That's called humidity. Staying cool. It's time to wear shorts and t-shirts. Sandals help keep my feet cool and protected from the sizzling hot sidewalk. So we know that if we walk outside without our shoes on, some of the surfaces that we step on can feel very hot and burn our feet. That's why it's important that we wear our sandals in the summer. If you're on the grass, your feet are probably fine, but if you walk on your driveway or the sidewalk, it might be very hot on your feet, so you want to wear your sandals or your sneakers to keep your feet safe. I rub sunscreen on my arms and legs. It protects my skin from the sun's scorching rays. If you go outside, you have to put on some sunscreen or wear a sun hat because the sun is super strong. It will make your skin very red. That's called a sunburn, and that hurts. So you want to make sure you put that sunscreen on before you go outside to keep your skin safe. A floppy hat and dark sunglasses shade my eyes from the bright sun. So again, that sun is super strong. You want to put on a hat maybe or wear your sunglasses so that the sun doesn't hurt your eyes. Splash. Swimming is one way to stay cool in the summer. Sunlight sparkles like diamonds on the water. We said when it's super hot outside, it's so much fun to go in the water. You just have a hose. You can spray each other with a hose or dump a bucket of water on you. It's a lot of fun in summer. Inside, a fan blows a cool breeze to keep us comfortable. So you might have a fan at your house, or you have an air conditioner, or you just open the window, and that helps us to stay cool. The summer world. In summer, animals teach their young to hunt for food. Soon their babies will go off on their own. So we said that in the spring, all the animals start to have babies, right? And in the summer, the babies are a little bit older, and they start to leave their moms, and they get to go off on their own because they grow a lot faster than we do. And they start to look for their own food called hunting. And in the picture, the mother bear is teaching her cubs how to catch fish. super important. She has to teach them how to find their own food. Our parents, they'll go out and they buy us food, right? But the animals, they have to go out and be on their own. So they have to learn how to get food all by themselves. Ducks swim with their babies lined up close behind them. Follow the leader. And a baby duck is called a duckling. Tree branches can barely be seen through puffs of deep green leaves. Okay, we look up, the trees have leaves, they're nice and green. Plants are covered with clusters of brightly colored flowers. Smell their sweet scent. If you've been outside lately, you've probably seen a lot of flowers. They're so beautiful. You can smell them, and we'll see bees buzzing around them. We don't want to bother those bees, right? Because they can sting us. Vegetables grow heavy on their vines. When they are ripe, we pick them. Maybe we'll make a salad. Some of you might have a garden in your backyard. You might pick some vegetables, bring them in, and have those with your dinner. Some trees form acorns or other kinds of seeds. Earlier in the year, we went on a nature walk. Remember, we found acorns on the ground. Well, right now, the acorns are still on the trees, and they're green. They're not brown like they were when we found them. Days are long. The sun doesn't set until evening, okay? So the day is a lot longer. It's 9 o'clock at night now, and it's still a little bit sunny out there. We can still walk around without a flashlight. That's pretty cool. Okay, and fall is coming. So that's not going to be for a long time. So I'm going to stop here because it isn't even summer yet. It's still coming. After summer, we will have fall. But right now, we get to enjoy the nice warm weather of spring that's moving into summer. And I will see you guys on Zoom very soon. Bye, friends.